Hi friends, welcome back, and today we have mineral trioxide aggregate. Now this is MTA Plus, which is vital pulp therapy material as well as root treatment material. Now this is indicated for cavity lining, base, pulp capping, pulpotomies, root and perforations, root resorptions, obturation as well as apexification, and is developed by Prevest Denpro. Now the composition of MTA Plus is tricalcium and dicalcium silicate based cement along with suitable gel accelerators. And the most important thing to note over here is that this is developed by the research and development team of Prevest Denpro. Now let's open up the packaging and see what are the different contents inside. So the first thing that we see over here is this is the scoop to carry the desired amount of MTA plus, and this is the powder of MTA plus, and this is the bottle containing liquid. Now let's read the information brochure. Now here it is. All the information has been clearly mentioned that it is a vital pulp therapy and root treatment material and the different procedures that can be done with this MTA plus. It can also be used as a pulp capping, pulpotomy or root apexification or in the repair of perforations and even in root and fillings and sealer. So this information should be read carefully so that the product can be used optimally and the results are obtained as desired. So let us now learn how to use MTA Plus for apexification procedures where we need 2 to 4 mm of apical plug, and for this we will need the desired quantity of powder and liquid of MTA Plus. So the first thing is we need a clean glass slab, then a steel spatula to mix it into a desired consistency, and to begin with we will use the powder first into a desired quantity, and for this we will use the scoop that is available with the packaging of MTA Plus. We will take the desired amount of powder up to the limit of the rim of the scoop as it is, and we will place it on a clean glass slab. After this we are going to take the liquid of the MTA Plus, and just 1 drop of liquid is sufficient. So when we begin with the mixing, we shall divide the powder into 3 equal increments. This will help us to form a uniform homogeneous mix. And remember, while mixing, it should form a uniform homogeneous mix that should not be granular, and it should be more of a putty-like consistency. Now after mixing, the mix should be moldable especially for the procedures like apexification, where we can easily manipulate it between our fingers into any desirable forms, and this MTA consistency, which is moldable, can easily be placed into the MTA carriers as we can see over here. Now as we dispense the mixed MTA, what we see over here is there is a single cylindrical block of 4 to 6 mm which can be used as an apical plug in apexification cases. So this was all about MTA Plus. If you have any queries, please do write in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.